Hey, it's Yolanda Shoshana. So those of you who follow me know that I love me some brandy. And no, I don't mean the singer, I mean the spirit. So I'm totally excited that on June 4th, it is National Cognac Day. That means get your cognac ready. Grab a cognac cocktail. If you've never tried the spirit, it's a great day to try it. If you love you some cognac like I do, it's a great day to have it. And if it's after June 4th, have cognac anyway because it is delicious. Cognac is made in a charming town called Cognac, France. There is really a Cognac, France. And people are very nice and polite. They walk around saying bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. So if you ever get a chance to go, you should just go. It's a couple of hours outside of Paris. It's on the French countryside and it's lovely and just very laid back and chill. And the food is absolutely delicious. So June 4th, people around the world will be having them some cognac. You can go to my website, awitchintheworld.com, and get some cognac recipes. You know, many of us have heard of the big cognac players like Hennessy. Who hasn't heard of Hennessy? Remy Martin, Martell, Camus, etc. But there are over 200 cognac producers, which means there's so much cognac, so little time. Cognac used to be the go-to spirit before whiskey. So if you are a whiskey drinker and you haven't tried cognac, you just might want to get a little in because I think you're gonna like it. I will probably start my cognac cocktails this weekend with a little Cavassier. I mean, normally Henny is my brandy bae, but a little Cavassier may pop off this weekend, and I'll be having some Henny time on Monday. So don't forget, stop by awitchintheworld.com. I have some cognac recipes. Go to the Bells Who Brandy section, and you will be able to find them. So I hope you enjoy. Until next time, peace, love, and cheers.